What's up, everybody? Ponies in the Smokies Saturday. It's day 2 of the big show, and just getting out of the car. It's early, you know. I got the bang at the unicorn, rainbow unicorn flavored. It's not really that good. I'm normally a Power Punch guy, but got a lot of Mustangs that are rolling in right now. Just out here in the sponsor parking area. So let me roll over here and show you guys what's going on. Check it out. Sun's coming up. Mustangs are coming in. How's it going this morning?
Good.
Good. Thank you guys for everything y'all are doing. No, that's my own deal. FoxbodyFX. Yeah. I am. As well as I have the podcast inside.
Okay.
Yes, I do a daily Mustang podcast. FX. Yeah.
Kevin Brown. I'm one of the promoters here.
Awesome, man. Yeah,
Look at that. I'm already subscribed.
I love it, man. Thank you.
Yes, sir. If you had Foxbody on, that's probably why I subscribed to it.
That's the way to get people easily. Okay. Nice.
I get the that caffeine hot thing over here.
Oh, yeah. I got the barn find SSC in there.
Perfect. I know Frankie, I'm friends with him on Swag. He's like, dude, ask that dude if I can do his headlights. I said, dude, you know,
I know.
He's like,
I see the detailing. I see the detailing guys that come up and they start twitching, you know, they're like,
Yeah.
they're like, can I just touch the
Touch
fender?
the fender, yeah. That was awesome. I read that story. That was.
Thanks, man. Yeah, it is. Like, I'm
cool.
super lucky, blessed, and everything all together just to be able to,
just
like,
to find it, yeah.
come on. Like, especially with the amount of people that are like, oh, yeah, I tried to get that thing for 20 years.
All right, with food. With food.
You're on YouTube now.
God, I hope I'm not on YouTube.
It ain't the first time.
And you look good on YouTube.
They say the camera adds 15 pounds and I don't need it.
YouTube takes away 30. That's what I hear, at least. Especially if you're subscribed. Man, I should have just set y'all up with a camera out here.
You could have. Yeah.
Car racing yesterday, sir. No. I want them wheels.
Yeah, man, that looks good. Looks real good.
He's got one of the
Okay?
Yeah. But I had to get some of this footage. Like, this is great.
Yep. Boy, you in front of this straight truck. You're going out there walking in the front. Yes, sir. On the left.
Yeah,
and next year if you want to set up hook it onto the tent.
my buddy's got one. I left my GoPro at home. I had a Mustang Cruise in my Bimini Blue Coupe.
I got you.
I went on, and it's still sitting on my dash. I got here, and I'm like, where's my GoPro?
I know where it is now.
Yeah.
But this dude right here,
Here we go, a little thump. He was at the drag strip.
he actually won the top. He was the fastest one in a Ford.
Oh, okay.
He's running a 658 in the 8. He's up my way, so that's like a traction we got up there a little bit better than. It's like a good 5-second car. So it's
Nice.
a bad car.
Yeah. I I just came over and I was saying how the S550s in these lines, like they're so much louder, but not that one. Now if he's like, yeah, I got an LS motor in it, I don't want to hear it, you know? There's a nice sounding box right there. Another Bimini Blue Coupe right shot. There's a matching Bluetooth. Alright, so this is the main lot out front that's filling up right now. Because it's right about 8 o'clock. And it's not even half full. Everybody's still sleeping in. They might have had a little too much fun last night. And then this is the lot that I filmed on the vlog day 1. No, day 2. You'll see that when I post it. But a lot of room out here. Can't wait to see and hear what the final count is with the cars. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
Man, I'm doing fantastic.
Awesome.
You?
Yeah, doing great.
Couldn't be any better.
Turn up the heat a little bit, okay?
I know, right? At least get you some gloves. I love this car. Freaking Saleen like barricading in from the freaking movie. I love it. What's up, man? How are you, Alex? Good to see you, man.
You too.
I'm doing fantastic, dude. How you doing?
Man, I'm great.
Let me get this thing on here.
Great.
Here, get over here in front of your car. So my buddy John here, you guys heard him on the podcast. You've seen this car around, I'm sure, right? Beautiful car, dude.
Yeah,
It
thank you.
looks so good in person. The pictures and the video typically don't do it justice. Hopefully this camera does.
Maybe it does.
But look, are you happy with the info?
Yeah, I love it.
Do you?
Love it. Yeah.
The Redline tuning did you up, right?
They did it great.
Awesome.
It's great. Highly recommendable. Love for everybody to get them.
Cool, man.
Fuck.
Yeah, I heard a little funny story yesterday about this this car. A kid said it was his favorite car. He said, what did he say? Something about her channel.
Yes.
What was her name?
Tiffany, I believe is her name.
Yeah, Tiffany.
But yeah, it was his favorite car on
Yeah,
the
it's
channel.
this blue convertible. Y'all to check it out.
Yeah, y'all go check it out.
Yeah, Tiffany's car is really nice.
I think it's on the Gearhead guys channel, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
703?
Yeah, yeah.
4,
Yeah,
704.
Yeah, 704.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
The Saleen Club of America booth here with a pretty good collection of vehicles. There's the man himself, Lee. How's it going, buddy?
Good, sir.
What do we got here? Tell us.
Well, since a bitch was doing a race car display, we decided to bring the closest thing we had. All the heritage cars, 2007 Pernelli Jones car, 2008 Dan Gurney car, and the 2014 George Fulmer car. We built 500 Pernelli Jones cars. The Dan Gurneys, they were supposed to build 301, they managed to build 66. And the George Fulmer, they were supposed to build 250, and they managed to build 5. So, thought it was racy and fit the motif that we were looking for.
Check the interior out of this.
I guess. He says, it was for sale. They wanted like 50 grand for the car or something like that. I'm like, really? I was like, well, what number was it? He goes, well, I don't know. I was like, well, I need to know because they're rare. I need to know what bumper number it is. He says, all right. So 4 miles down the road, turns around, he calls me up. He goes, this bumper number 15. Why? You know somebody who wants one? I said, well, now I do. I said, that's my number. So we wound up buying the car, and that's how we've come. We thought there was only 4 built. Somebody sent me a picture of one at Saleen being built. And then you can see the 5 on the bumper, and clearly I thought it was our car, but it's got hood pins wired onto it. None of the cars were shipped with hood pins attached, so we realized it's car number 5. So now we know there's 5 cars. But anyway, yeah, neat car.
Super cool car.
If you register for our jacket that we have out here, the Mustang jacket, raise your hand. Okay, there's only one winner, y'all. Is Michelle Johnson here? Michelle Johnson. If Michelle, if you're in the building, scream. Are you Michelle? We're thanking you. Everybody came out our booth today. We appreciate that. If you need a Bible, we got it back there in the booth. Okay? Thank y'all. God bless.
Ponies in the Smokies 2022. We're here at Annapolis Engine Service. Tell us your name.
I'm Adam Boutique with Annapolis Engine.
Awesome. I'm Lance. It's good to meet you. Tell me a little bit about what you guys do, where you're located.
We're in Chattanooga, North Carolina. Started out in Annapolis. In 1970, my grandpa opened our shop. My dad took over in '86. Probably taking over at some point. For now, I'm managing the machine shop and specialize in Ford performance and all.
Oh, very cool. And this is your car right here as well, correct?
Awesome. 1999 Mustang GT, 283,000 miles, salvage title, but we converted over for drifting and had a blast with it.
I bet you do. That's awesome, man. So you guys are full service engine rebuilders, correct?
Yes.
And now you do just full new builds as well, I'm assuming.
Yeah, we can do start the dark block, build everything on new components.
Okay.
Customers can
So push rod, coyotes, you do the new stuff too? What do you do mostly?
Mostly push rod, early modular. I do some coyote stuff. Typically, coyote builds are going to be more bulletproof and bottom end, get them ready for the booster.
Gotcha. Very cool. How do we get a hold of you when we talk to you?
For social media, Adam at Application
Okay.
on Facebook.
I'll put it in the show notes.
Phone number from here is 857-7416.
And it's
EnginePartsAndMachine.com.
enginepartsandmachine.com.
Website's pretty simple, just direct you to me, but mostly
You guys can grab all the parts for us. We can send you a block as well if you have it. Or we can send you maybe a top end. You can build us a bottom end.
any type of custom engine work, we can take care of it.
Awesome. Paint it together, send it back to us. I love it. Awesome. Appreciate you being with us this year.
Yep, thanks for stopping to talk to me.
Absolutely.
The whole thing, and you know, it was like it was like the icing on the cake, the collaboration. We even have it on film where he's like, all right, man, I'm gonna put the badge on if you approve, like this is it. And we did it, and he's like, all right. And he beats the crap out of our clutches, man. He loves them, you know, he believes in them, and he's a great guy to work with. So it's been an awesome experience, and I mean, this is one of 6 cars in the world, and mine's plaque number 2 signed by him. So it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome experience. It's been a blessing working with that guy, man, and RTR and all those guys. It's kind of a dream come true, you know what I mean? You're up there, I'm in the lab, and I'm just like, this guy's uncovering a car for me, and I'm like, this is insane, you know? So almost did, man. Almost did.